Tally has announced its upcoming release, Tally 7, arriving this December. Here are the 10 features you should know. 1. Performance boost. Company loading, data opening, and report generation are now much faster, giving you a smoother experience across the board. 2. Faster output. Printing, exporting, emailing, and WhatsApp sharing have all been optimized for speed, making everyday tasks significantly quicker. 3. Smarter auto backup. One of the biggest updates, Tally 7 will support incremental and scheduled backups to local or cloud storage, and it works without loading the company. Your data is now safe. 4. Smart Find. Instantly search masters and transactions even across lakhs of records with almost zero wait time. 5. Faster migration. Move from older versions quickly and keep working while the migration happens in the background. 6. Prime Banking. OTP based online payments, automatic payment advices, and adding to Axis and Kotak, SBI has also been integrated. 7. GST enhancements. One-click cancellation for vouchers, e-way bills, and e-invoices directly from Tally. 8. Duplicate voucher correction. Identify and correct duplicate voucher directly from uncertain transaction GST reports like GSTR1, 3B, 2A, 2B, e-invoice, and e-way bill. 9. IMS simplifies ITC reduction. Updating ITC values invoice-wise and record amendments. The values sync with the GST portal and reflect in Tally Prime automatically. Add remarks pending or rejected. 10. JSON support. Export and import now supports JSON in addition to XML and Excel. Tally 7 is coming this December, designed to supercharge performance, simplify compliance, and give business the power to operate at a whole new level. Stay tuned here for the product launch update.